You ain't never had to 3 seconds of the prime majestic, pride, domestic, promo, classic. Never had it for some reason. You gotta grab it for some reason. You gotta go. Lot of chances where a lot of passes from daddy, for daddy, well, nobody else that wanna go. See, this place is where I show. See, this place is where I flow. See, this place is where I go. Where I dream and where I see it and where I be for whatever reason. This life forever. All these girls bang and scream. Sorry, I'm losing my breath. I'm out of control. Losing my breath for a reason. You know me, I'm in my soul. Somewhere for everybody else that everyone should know. I got you in my spirit and my heart into roll. I'm back somewhere rolling with the six in Toronto. For some reason, y'all went crazy. For some reason, with my woes. Wait a minute, these niggas been crazy. Y'all about to go. I have never known for some reason I got the flow. I'm too slow, but you know me, I'm not that fast. For some reason, you thought about it. For everybody else, and never about the grab. This hot is the real shit. This is the one for the real bitch. Never had 2 seconds for too majestic. You real rich, master flat bastard bitch. And for some reason, got a lot of questions for a lot of all of my seasons. Have you ever had a testament go? Have you ever had one reason to testament the flow? You gotta go 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Gotta have five. All the clock is what a clock is progressing. Clock is regressing, clock session, messing, and then messing. Nobody else where they come back in a session. In my session, gotta breathe, gotta control, gotta lose and gotta fake it, gotta take it, gotta make it, gotta space and gotta ache it. Whew. Lost my soul 2 minutes there. For some reason, y'all niggas think I'm crazy when I finish there. Finish where? Finish scared. People never come back and nobody else ain't thought about this track. Everybody else spitting all craziness, all this rap. Getting this money, getting this flow. Cash over, where does cash go? Yes, you may say that I'm a bum, but bitch please, all you do is smoking, drinking rum. Like you a pirate from Pirates Caribbean. For some reason you don't see it. For some reason I believe it, I receive it, I receive it. Woo. I lost my breath there. I had the chance for people who don't understand half there. God damn it, for some reason I gotta go. For some reason got a chances where people wouldn't gotta flow. People don't even see it. People don't even notice me. People don't even feel like they have to when they just focus on me. Cause people wanna go back and understand when they focus be. I got a new chance, a new life, or whatever holds to be, most of the life, most of the chances, most of the who killing with a knife. Wait, what I just said all over again. Patient is right, patient is right, patient is sign, patient is life. Like, uh, uh, yeah, I think I just, I don't know. Shit. um, Let me know if you guys like that or not. That was just me freestyling off to a good beat. Um, if you guys want to check it out and stuff, it's really nice and stuff. So, you know, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. So,